May 29th, 2022. I want to hike the Beehive for a second time with Sir Thomas, Sasquatch, and Zoopy. So it'll be good. Hopefully they don't get too scared on the ladders. And yeah, it'll be a good time. We're gonna take a lot of photos, take a lot of videos. So here we go. Starting the cliff soon on the Beehive. Tom's doing a photo shoot with Alex because he seems to think he's an Instagram superstar with the 30 likes he gets. So anyway, here they come. And we'll continue onward. So starting the ladders on the Beehive, and we'll see how everyone does. It's pretty easy, so should be fun. Across and then here. So, you know, it's cool on a cliff right here in Maine at Acadia. So that would suck to fall down. Good thing I'm a mountain cat. Oh, there's some bug here. Got him.
Get out. Hold up.
Continuing to make my way
uptown.
up the Beehive Trail. Pretty much done with the ladders. Now it's just rocks. So just taking our time. Beautiful views. Alright, we made it to the summit of the Beehive Trail in Acadia National Park. And beautiful views, beautiful day. I keep saying it, but I'm just loving it. So, trail marker for the summits over there. And just gonna keep shooting more videos, more photos. Alex is, oh, you're so cool with your flip around screen. I don't have a flip around screen, so I hope this is a good video. Oh, they're the best. I have a Canon. Sony's better. Sony for life. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to shooting some photos. But yeah, great trail, great time, great company. That's the Beehive, man. That's the Beehive Trail in Acadia. Highly recommend it. The cliffs are fun. It's a short hike. It's got beautiful views. You just need some good weather. So if you found this video fun, helpful, encourage you to go climb the Beehive, like, subscribe, and comment your favorite hike in Acadia National Park. I look forward to checking them out. So thanks for watching.